Ready to make a difference with a unique employee volunteering solution? CricketTogether is a turnkey virtual mentoring solution that creates learning friendships between mentors and students that are fun, safe, and rewarding. How does it work? The program starts with an organization that invites its employees to be virtual learning mentors. We match 3rd to 5th grade students in a classroom one-to-one with caring adult employees who serve as mentors to read and correspond over the course of an academic year. Each mentor works with the teacher who manages the schedule and content and supports program safety through moderation of the letters. Let me take you to the virtual learning platform and show you. Mentors love the program because they can complete their role in 2 to 3 hours a month from anywhere. They don't have to travel to a school to make a difference, they don't miss work time, and their action item list on their homepage always tells them what to do. They only have 2 jobs to support their student. First, they read the same content, chosen by the student, right on their screen. Second, they write a letter to their student about the article in a supported environment. The program provides prompts and guidance in structuring the letter, as well as tips like suggested questions and vocabulary to support the writing. Mentors compose right on the screen, can decorate if they'd like, and then send to the teacher for approval. This ongoing correspondence builds their mentoring relationship throughout the academic year. The teacher maintains the safety of the program by moderating all correspondence between the mentors and students, and he or she guides the selection of topics to make sure you're reading and corresponding about topics that the students need to learn. CricketTogether is a win-win for employee engagement. CricketTogether provides a way for employees to virtually mentor a child in a flexible, safe, online environment with a research-proven methodology. Mentors report overwhelming satisfaction with this rewarding program. They love the easy-to-use, anytime, anywhere participation and the chance to build a virtual learning friendship with a student while being part of a community supporting schools.